Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today we are going to be doing or looking at some products. We're going to try out some products that we got from. I got some product from I'm From, and I also got some product from iUnique. So the iUnique portion of today's video, I'm going to post it on TikTok, but this is the iUnique girl strip. It says boy strip. I got this my summer trip essentials. This is from iUnique. So I got a few two products from them, but I don't know if they thought my name was a boy's name, but they put boy strip. But it's not a boy strip, it's a girl strip, okay? I ain't a boy. I'm a girl. I'm a girl, proud girl. And I like boys. Okay? Jody, why? Anyway, but yeah, this is the iUnique boy strip, but it's supposed to be girl strip. Well, unless it's... What am I talking about? Stop, Jody, stop. Cringy. Anyway, but yeah, this is the iUnique summer trip essentials. It has a peeling gel, a lime moisture peeling gel. It has a UV protection, Centella calming daily sunscreen. I'm glad I got more SPF. I love sunscreens. Yes, but this is what we got from iUnique. This is a part of their summer travel essentials. Like, yes. So I'm gonna create a TikTok. You're gonna see a TikTok with these two products, but today's video I'm going to be trying not just these two, but also I'm going to be trying these two. This one is a licorice calming cream from I'm From, and also the rice toner from I'm From. Yes, so these are what we're going to be using today in today's skincare routine. And what your girl is gonna do is share with you the routine. So I'm going to do everything from the cleanser upwards. So for the routine, I'm gonna make this a daytime skincare routine just because I want to use the SPF. And I want to show you the SPF, how it looks and feels on the skin. Alright, so I'm going to start by cleansing my skin. I'm going to use my gentle cleanser, this one, the green tea enzyme milky foaming wash. I'm going to use that, and after I do the little cleansing, everything's nice and cleansed, removed from my skin. I know the night before I won't have any makeup or anything. I won't have anything on my face. My face is going to be clean. So I'm going to use this, dry my skin. After I dry my skin, and then the next thing that we are going to be using, so right after I cleanse, I'm going to go in with the lime moisture peeling gel, and this is just going to give you a little bit of toning without irritating your skin, if you understand what I mean. So it's supposed to be a toner without irritating your skin. So it has AHA fruit complex containing 5 different fruits: lime, grape, orange, apple, and lemon. I'm going to go in with the rice toner from I'm From. I have been checking this out for the past 5 years and I haven't tried it just because it's a little bit pricey. Okay, but because I know that rice is an excellent ingredient, especially in Japan. They use it on their skin, they use it on everywhere, and it also helps hyperpigmentation. Rice helps to grow your hair. They use rice in everything, and I love rice. Like consuming rice, I mean, it's not good for me, but I like consuming it, but I don't really consume it a lot. But this one is a vegan rice toner. I remember my first ever experience with toners was a Japanese rice toner, and I gave it to my sister. My sister loved it. So anything with rice, whenever I see rice or anything with rice, I really love it. One thing I thought about this product that I'm from, rice toner, I thought it would be a glass bottle because it just looks bougie to me. So I was always thinking that maybe it's a glass bottle, but no, it's plastic. But anyway, I don't mind or anything. But this is the consistency of it. It's like water, but very hydrating. It's very, when I say hydrating, it's very hydrating. Super hydrating. I wasn't expecting it to be this hydrating based on the consistency. You know what I'm saying? And it's white, but when you massage it in the skin, it dries very clear. Why am I taking so long to say that? But this one is the rice toner that I'm going to go in with right after I cleanse. And then I'm going to use the licorice calming cream. I'm going to use this licorice calming cream. Yes, so after using the toner, I'm going to use my licorice cream calming serum. This one is a serum that's going to help to keep your skin nice and calm. You can use it in the morning or evening times. They said apply to face daily, morning and night. This has licorice, and you know licorice actually helps with hyperpigmentation, but also irritation. So if your skin is like irritated, it's just going to help to maintain your skin in the mornings and protect your skin during the day. And also in the evenings, if your skin got a little irritated, it's just going to repair it. You know what I'm saying? So I like that. Licorice root, perfect. Licorice calming cream. So I'm going to apply this after the rice toner. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the I'm going to go in with the Centella Daily Sunscreen. This one has SPF 50 PA++++, 4 pluses. So we'll see how that goes, but this is it.
Okay, so as you can see, this is how we applied the SPF. This is Centella Asiatica. As I said before, it's very hydrating but very lightweight. So I like to just apply to my cheeks, under my chin, and on my forehead, and then I just massage it. But as you can tell, guys, it looks as though it's going to be, you know, white. But the reason why it's like this is so that you, when you're applying your SPF, you can know where you're actually applying the SPF. But as you know, air touches the face and so forth, it dries down very nicely. So what I basically did is I just allowed it to dry down, and I'm going to use my fan to fan my face just so that it can be absorbed. I basically applied some chapstick to my lips, and what I'm gonna do now is to basically end. This is it. Just allow it to dry down, and that's it. Seriously, this is it.
Yes, and the cleanser, I told you already, I love it. So these are going to be, I'm going to share with you my thoughts about this and also about the SPF, but I can't share with you now because I haven't used it. I haven't even opened the bottle. You know what I'm saying? Open the box, so I'll share with you in the clips. Okay guys, so I'm gonna come with you to I'm gonna come to you with the the Iunique. This one is the Lime Moisturizing Peeling Gel. Like, a girl, you need to get this because I just love how it felt me trying to exfoliate my skin. Yes, this peeling gel is giving exfoliating your skin, but gently, not too crazy. It's not gonna burn your skin or anything like that. Really love this. I love how it felt on my skin while I was just rubbing it in, trying to massage it in. Then I felt the little exfoliating gels, peeling gels just rubbing off. And I know that sometimes, most of the time, dead skin actually goes with it, because I could literally feel like some dead skin right here and right here. Went to the bathroom and I was just trying to use my fingers to rub it off and massage it in, so everything is off. So my skin was hydrated and nice, and it just feels good. Perfect for summer. Yeah, so very perfect for summer. I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for something like this, like a peeling gel. Okay, and then the SPF. As you can tell, my skin, guys, no white cast, like no white cast. Look at that, nice and hydrated without any white cast. You don't see any white anything in my face. My face doesn't look crazy. I don't look like a crazy person. It just looks nice and clear and smooth, you know what I'm saying? Yes, guys, and this bad boy, the licorice, the rice toner from Rice is like literally everything that Japanese people are about. They love rice in every single thing. So I love rice, as I said before. Really love this toner. It's liquidy. You would think that this, based on how it looks, it would give you liquidy or just easy to absorb or not so hydrating. But guys, yes guys, so it's giving you this hydration that you're not expecting the rice toner to give you, but it's just not oily. It's just a nice amount of hydration, just a little of hydration, and then you can apply your other skincare products without your skin feeling wet and all of that jazz. And then this now, when I went in with this now, the licorice calming cream. Yes, the licorice calming cream now, it just gives me this nice amount of hydration. My skin, even though I'm touching my skin, it just feels nice and smooth and just hydrated and not oily and all of that jazz. Because that's what one of the things, my biggest pet peeve with skincare is when you apply it, it just feels oily and you just feel like you want to wash up your face. Like, my skin doesn't feel that way, as you can tell. Like, yes, this is a licorice calming cream, and I think this is perfect to apply before you go in with any of your skincare, because it's just going to give you that nice calming effect, hydrating effect. So when you go in the sun, your skin is not dried out. Because I have a tendency, even though I have combination skin, when I go in the sun, I notice my skin gets extremely dry, especially right here. And you see, when it gets dry, it feels irritated. When I come home and I wash my face and I do my skincare, my skin it feels irritated and tight. Whenever it gets like that, I know pimples are coming. And then sometimes too, in the middle of here, just gets super oily, because one, maybe I applied too much oily products, or two, I applied little moisturization. So I always try to make sure that I really take into consideration all of the skincare, especially the hydrating stuff that I use on my skin during summer. But this one is very nice. Like, as I'm telling you, look at my skin. Yes guys, but this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. This is it for your girl. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more skincare content, because you know we all about the skin. And guys, I have one thing to tell you. Last night I got a like a little rash here, and I know it's because of the heat today or yesterday, because I was sweating from my hair and it was going on my forehead. And in the evening when I did my skincare, I saw some rashes and I started getting worm. Like, oh my gosh, I'm going to have some breakouts on my forehead. Guess what I did? In the day, I applied my azelaic acid. You know, I haven't been using azelaic, but I applied azelaic acid a little bit over the forehead in the day. When I say day, I mean in the evening. And then when I was going to my bed, I gave myself a wash again. I washed the face again, just because, you know, I don't want the pimples. And I washed the face again, and guess what I use? My salicylic acid from The Ordinary. I use the salicylic acid and I just applied some moisturizer and I went to bed. I woke up this morning and the pimples are gone. Okay. me, but salicylic acid. Guys, if you don't have the salicylic acid, go out and get it right about now. Like, yes, just to prevent all of the pimples them. Prevention is better than cure. Get yourself the salicylic acid from the ordinary. Super affordable, guys. If you can't manage the salicylic acid solution, get an Hydra solution. But I would recommend the salicylic acid solution for people with oily combination skin, dry skin, and Hydra solution. Go out and get a salicylic acid, guys. Maintain and to keep your skin free from dirty, stinking, nasty pimples. Because we don't like pimples. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye. If you haven't seen my hair, please check it out. Love this hairstyle. I'm gonna be rocking it for the next 7 days. I just hope I don't sleep on this and it gets curly, because I don't want it to be curly. I want it to be straight. But yeah, guys, this is it for your girl. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.